starting with a classic movie theme that goes like this. With the beat. Remix. With some knocks back. Voice of questions. Voice of questions. I'm SpongeBob. Voice of questions. Hi, Patrick. Voice of questions. Hey, SpongeBob. I'm hungry. Usher. Bass. That's why they call me Verbal Ace, but I'm not only from outer space because I can make music sounds, but also because I make real sounds such as crickets. Look at that train. Don't eat those, they don't taste good. Helicopters. In case you guys are wondering who does the recorded voice in a subway train, that's me too when he says, "Stand clear of the closing doors, please." Well, yes, I'm the voice in the subway train, but they fired me because I started making crazy announcements like, "Ladies and gentlemen, we are being delayed because I don't know where I'm going. Please be patient. Transfers available to the Soul Train." Yes, the Soul Train. That's why they fired me. After they fired me from that, I got hired as a voice you guys hear on the platforms that says, "The next local Manhattan-bound train will arrive in 10 days. What? Wait, how long? 10 days. But since you asked, now it's 11 days. What? Why is that? Oh, that's scary. That's why they call me Verbal Ace, beatboxer from outer space. If you guys want to check me out on YouTube, just go to YouTube and type in SpongeBob Beatbox. All my videos are kid-friendly. And if you're wondering how I'm able to make two sounds at the same time, I have a confession. I have a radio stuck in my nose. I gotta get that fixed. That's why they call me Verbal Ace. Check me out on YouTube. It's SpongeBob Beatbox. All my videos are kid-friendly. I'm also a starving artist, so if anybody can donate any quarters or pennies, I appreciate it. If not, I'm glad you enjoyed the show. Sorry for the interruption. I'm Verbal Ace. Thank you guys so much. And stand clear of the closing. Yeah, we don't shut up. I'm Verbal Ace.